Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your eBay account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and click on the search bar over here and type in ebay.com like this, or you can just simply search for eBay login like this. And on the first page of Google you will see the sign in page to eBay. Let's click over here, and now we are on the home page of eBay. Now if you want to register for eBay, you can just simply click over here on the register button, but to sign into your eBay account, click on the sign in option, and let's verify that we are human. And I think these are all the boxes. Let's verify. And now to sign into your eBay account, enter your email or username over here and click on the continue. And on the next page you will be required to enter your password. Type in your password and click on sign into your eBay account. But you can also continue to your eBay account with your Facebook or your Google or your Apple account. And then guys, this is how you sign into your eBay account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.